Good morning everybody, and welcome back to the Affinity channel. Today it's going to be a little mishmash of some videos here. We have a BRZ front lip install that Nick has pre-recorded on another day, and today we're heading to go and do an oil change on his Corolla. So stay tuned for those, and let's get over to Nick's house. Alright guys, we made it to Nick's house. As always, the most familiar scene here. And let me show you what I found when I got here. So I was like checking out, because my low tire pressure light's on. I saw something shiny on my tire and I was like, what's that? So that happened. And I'm throwing the car away. Bruh, peep the cover though. Sheesh. Sheesh.
Dip fire.
Hell yeah.
Hydro dipped by your boy. No, just kidding. Oh yeah. Pull this out.
You thinking with your dipstick? Nick can't get in the hole.
Just leave it out like that.
Now it's like,
Take this out.
now it's flaccid. We got the car jacked up. Somehow we made it work, even though with how low this thing is. So now, let's get ready to do this oil change.
We're gonna be using mobile one. We got advanced fuel economy for Toyotas, Nissans, GM, Honda.
Toyota!
Which is not what this is, maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's a Supra, which is Toyota, but maybe I'm just not really.
Where's the emblem?
I got edged. Basically, we got the right oil filter. I wanted to go OEM. I really don't think it matters, but that's just what I did. Picked it up at the auto parts store. They had it in stock. So right now, we have checked our oil, which is fine, but I like to change mine every 3,000 miles. The first step we're going to do is we're going to go underneath the car, find the drain plug underneath the oil pan, loosen that up, drain her out. I just picked up a jug, I could dump it in, and then after that, get to the next step.
I'm so glad I'm filming that. Alright guys, so that was a successful oil change. We got that done. And now we're going to go dispose of the oil and get a plug kit for my tire so we can fix that as well. Alright guys, so we went ahead and we plugged the tire here and filled it back up, so hopefully the light will go away and the screw is not a problem anymore. But I guess that's just what this year entails, so I can't be too mad because it wasn't really that hard of a fix, it was just an annoying fix. But I'm gonna go ahead, head home now, and then I'll wrap this video up there. Alright guys, we made it home today. That's gonna do it for today's video. Don't forget to go down and like, comment, and subscribe down below. And also, if you want to be notified when we upload, hit that notification bell, so that way YouTube will send you some notifications whenever we upload a video. Just remember that you're not alone, and don't be afraid to be unique. Peace.